Hello everyone, this is a dot mandala making video on a 12-inch MDF base. Let me tell you the measurements of the circles. I drew 6 circles here. The first one is 1 centimeter, second 2 centimeters, third 3 centimeters, and the fourth 5.5, fifth is 8 centimeters, and then 11. So 1, 2, 3, 5.5, 8 and 11. And the angles are marked at every 20 degrees. 0 and 180 falls here, 20, 40, 60 and multiples of 20. So that's how I marked angles and created the grids. Let's get started with dotting now. I'll start with dotting in the center in white. I'll dot on alternate lines in white again. This is going to be a monochrome dot mandala, so only black and white. Now I'll keep tiny dots here. I'll again dot in white. Now I'll keep a tiny dot in white. Now I'm going to dot in white on alternate lines. I'll keep another small dot here. Now I'll work the dots in white. I'll keep a plumpy dot first and then drag it to a swipe later. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep a dot here and then manually drag it to a swipe. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. Now I'll walk the dots in between any two swipes here. Now I'll top dot on these white dots with black. I'll again keep some top dots in black. Now I'll keep white dots on all the lines in this circle. Now I'll keep a small dot. I'll work the dots in white now. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes. I'll top dot on these swipes now. I'll top dot on these swipes too. I'll dot on all the lines in this circle. I'll keep 2 more dots in white. On these white dots, I'm going to top dot with black. I'll work the dots with white now. I'll keep a small dot here. I'll work the dot second layer with white. Now I'll top dot with black. Now I'll top dot on these white dots with black. I'll keep a plumpy dot first and then drag it to a swipe later. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. I'm sure all of you loved this dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.